I'm Tamara at the Rogers Public Library. Mary is lost in the stacks somewhere, trying to find a book to fulfill her Rogers Reads Reading Challenge, so I'm filling in for her. And what's the Rogers Reads Reading Challenge, you ask? It is a program that we have that's all year. You just read 12 books that fit a theme challenge. And if you finish all 12 books by the end of the year, you can win prizes. Some of the books that we have for the adult ones are like choose a book that has more than 3 colors on the cover, or a book that you consider a comfort read. They have all 12 challenges that you can fill out. You can do them in any order. The age groups are divided, so we have a children's challenge, a teen challenge, and an adult challenge. And if you finish those by December 31st, you go to rpl.readsquared.com to register, and you can just find new books and new authors that you might enjoy. A little birdie told me that they're very excited for the February Make It Take It kit. It's going to be Valentine Bird Treats. So you make a little project and you put together a bird feeder in your very own backyard. You can come by the library and pick it up at the checkout desk, or you can call 479-621-1152 to do a curbside pickup. They're while supplies last. You can take the paper instructions with you, or you can look on our social media for a video tutorial. That's on our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We're going to have a cryptocurrency workshop that you can attend through Zoom. It is going to be February 2nd at 5:30 p.m. If you don't know about cryptocurrency, you might have heard things like Bitcoin or Ethereum or blockchain. You'll be able to learn what those terms mean and just understand what cryptocurrency is and how to use it and what people use to buy it. That's February 2nd at 5:30. You'll register on our website and we'll send you a Zoom link. And now Jessica is going to mention the Spanish cryptocurrency workshop.
Tal vez ha escuchado de Bitcoin, Ethereum y blockchain, pero ¿sabe lo que son y para qué se utilizan? Acompáñanos en un taller virtual en criptomoneda el 9 de febrero a las 5:30 a 6:30 de la tarde, donde aprenderá los conceptos básicos de las transacciones de moneda digital como Bitcoin, Ethereum y la cadena de bloques que alimenta el sistema. También obtendrá una comprensión de los tokens digitales y las formas en que se compran. Este taller se realizará exclusivamente vía Zoom, así que por favor incluya su correo electrónico al registrarse.
And then our next event is a Jazz and Civil Rights Movement performance that's going to be on Saturday, February 12th from 1 to 2:30. Master flautist Galen Abdur Razak will honor us with a presentation featuring turn-of-the-century jazz artists and the important role their music played during the Civil Rights Movement. We will also enjoy a flute prelude performed by Galen. This performance and presentation, again, will be Saturday, February 12th at 1 p.m. You can register on our website, and we will send you a Zoom link that you can attend. Or you can come by the library and join us for a live stream in the community room. And that's it for this time. Library Highlights with Mary. Hopefully, we'll be able to find Mary next time, and she'll be able to tell you what's coming up next. Bye.